In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove GCash in Foodpanda. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and what to tap so you can unlink GCash quickly and confidently, whether you're tidying up your payment options or switching to a different method. Start by opening the Foodpanda app on your phone. Give it a second to load to the home screen so everything is up to date. From here, head straight to the account area. You'll usually find account on the bottom bar of the app. Tap it to open your profile and settings. This is the hub for things like your addresses, orders, and importantly, your payment controls. Inside the account section, look for the option labeled Balance. This is where Foodpanda groups your payment details and stored funds. Tap Balance to open it. Think of Balance as the place where you can see what you've linked to your profile and make adjustments to how you pay. On the balance screen, you'll see a button or link that says Change. Go ahead and tap Change. This brings up your current payment methods, including any wallets or cards you've added. If GCash is linked to your account, you should see it listed here. Even if the label mentions card, the same control is used to manage wallets like GCash in this menu. Now, select the option to remove card for the GCash entry. This action is how you unlink GCash from your Foodpanda profile. If a confirmation pop-up appears, confirm that you want to remove it. After a moment, GCash should disappear from your saved methods, meaning it's no longer attached to your account. If you ever want to use it again, you can add it back later from the same area. A few quick notes for clarity. If you don't see GCash listed under Change, it's likely already removed, so there's nothing else you need to do. The wording you see in the app may vary slightly by version, but the path is the same. Account, then balance, then change, then remove card for GCash. Removing a payment method won't cancel any existing orders. It simply prevents that method from appearing at checkout going forward. That's all it takes. Open the Foodpanda app, go to Account, tap Balance, choose Change, and then remove GCash. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll keep your payment list clean and up to date in just a minute or two. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Foodpanda payment settings with ease.